My client made $1,000 in 7 days from selling one digital product without spending any money on advertising. In today's video, I'll be revealing the 3-step process that she followed to make it happen. So be sure to take out your notebook and pen because you don't want to miss this. Let's go. Okay, so the very first thing that my client did is she grew her audience organically by posting videos. While you can use any social media platform to grow your audience, the channel that my client used is YouTube, and this is also the channel that I recommend you use. Because if you think about it, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, only after Google. It has 2.7 billion monthly active users, meaning there are many people who can eventually end up buying your products from you. And on top of that, it can also help you grow your audience really fast. Because if you look at other content marketing platforms such as blogging can grow your audience, but it takes months to even start getting views on your blog. Whereas on YouTube, you can almost immediately start getting views on your YouTube videos if you know what you're doing. This is exactly what happened to my client. Once she discovered her ideal YouTube niche, she was able to grow her channel fast to a point where it got thousands and thousands of views every single month. And this is also what is happening to my YouTube channel. So I only started posting my videos recently, and already my channel has over 2,600 views. And the thing that I love most about YouTube that you won't get on TikTok, you won't get on Instagram or any of those other social media platforms is your YouTube videos live for a very, very long time. So you can continue to get views to your YouTube videos for months or even sometimes years. And I'm going to prove this to you. So as you can see here is a screenshot of my client's one video. And even though she posted it 258 days ago or 8.5 months ago, this video is still bringing in hundreds of views every single day. Before I get to the next step, if YouTube sounds like the ideal platform for you and you want to use YouTube to grow your audience and sell digital products, then be sure to download my free YouTube business blueprint. This blueprint outlines the 5 main steps that you need to take to set up your YouTube channel and to make money with it selling your own digital products. Now, it isn't enough to simply get views. If you want to make money from these views, you need to turn your viewers into leads, which brings me to the second step and the second thing that my client did, which is she got her viewers to sign up to her email list using a freebie. A freebie, otherwise known as a lead magnet, is something free yet super valuable that you give away to your audience in exchange for their email details. And since my client is a relationship coach who teaches people to have better romantic relationships, her free lead magnet was called 2 free sexy date night ideas, which people could then download to have better dates with their significant others. And because her freebie really focused on a pain point that her viewers were feeling, they really wanted to have better date nights with their significant others, she managed to get so many people to actually download her lead magnet every month. So essentially what she would do is she would create a YouTube video and include her lead magnet in her video for people to go ahead and download if they wanted it. Now, other freebies that you could possibly create include the following. So you could go ahead and create a PDF guide. Let's say, for example, you are absolutely amazing at acrylic painting. In this case, you could go ahead and create a free guide that teaches people how to get started with acrylic painting. Or perhaps you're amazing at surfing, and so you could create a PDF guide with the 5 secret hacks all beginners need to know when they're starting surfing. Another freebie that you could create is a template. So let's say, for example, you are a financial analyst as your day job and you absolutely love doing it. You could go ahead and create a template for people to use to plan their personal finances. You could also create other types of lead magnets such as free video trainings or free audio trainings that cover a specific topic more in depth. As you can see, there are so many options when it comes to creating a lead magnet for your specific viewers. And so if you're just getting started, then I would recommend you go with the PDF guide option because you can easily create a PDF guide using a free tool called Canva. I will leave a link to it down below. And what you do is you'll simply just go ahead, create an account, create an A4 document, and use one of the pre-made PDF templates that you can create then and customize to be your own lead magnet. All right, now you're probably wondering, okay, what happened after my client got these people onto her email list? Next, she created a digital product and sold it to her email list. So while she was busy creating YouTube videos and growing her email list using freebies, in the back end, she was actually also creating her first digital product. And in her case, it was a membership that cost people $9 per month or $108 per year to join. Now, if you're wondering what a membership is, you can think of Netflix. Netflix is a form of a membership where people actually go ahead and pay a monthly fee to continue to watch shows. In my client's case, she had a membership where she provided her customers with a date night every single week, as well as video trainings alongside that, so they could really ignite the romance in their relationships. But before you panic and say, wow, Shantae, I can't create a membership, don't worry, yours doesn't have to be a membership. So there are many different types of digital products that you can create. These include, but aren't limited to, ebooks, mini courses, paid templates, stock videos or images, etc. The list just goes on and on of the possibilities of what you could create for your digital product. So, for example, let's say you are a web designer by trade. In this case, you could actually go ahead and create WordPress templates that people can buy from you. Or if you do crocheting as a hobby and you absolutely love it, you can go ahead and sell patterns. Or you could even go ahead and create a mini course teaching people how to get started with crocheting. All right, so after my client created her digital product, she actually launched it to her email list by sending a series of emails over the course of 7 days, offering this membership to them. She had massive success and sold $1,000 worth of that membership in just 7 days. The great thing about this process is it is repeatable. So you can continue to grow your email list using YouTube and your freebie, and then you can continue to sell to your email subscribers through your emails. You can also continue to build more digital products as you go and start selling that to your email list as well. And as you can see, it becomes a snowball effect where you just start to sell more and more and more until finally it becomes really passive for you. So just imagine for a moment building this amazing passive business model where you get to continuously sell to people without having to continually create new products all the time. You can just continue to sell the products that you already have, and once in a while you create new ones. Now, if this sounds like the ideal business model that you'd like to use to make money online, then remember to download my YouTube Business Blueprint. It's linked in the description below. It'll teach you the 5 steps that you need to take to get started on YouTube and start selling your own digital products using YouTube. Now, if you're curious to learn more about YouTube and how to grow a successful YouTube channel, then go ahead and watch this video right over here because I talk about the 5 extremely useful tips that I learned after spending $2,000 on YouTube courses. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.